What you got?
I don't know.
You don't know? This is a Home Pro Shop sharpening stone set. What's sharpening stones for? Sharpening what? Knives. Got a kitchen knife here, and you can't tell, but it's dinged up because they keep getting put in the washer. And good knives, shouldn't be put in the washer, so the blade is a little nicked. So we're going to see if this sharpening stone set can fix it. Okay. So in it, we haven't really opened this up and looked yet. In it, you get the instructions, pretty simple, and it comes with a video tutorial. You can go to their website, and there's supposed to be a bonus audiobook and ebook that tells you how to do it.
Stone. I don't know why it said stone, but look, stone.
This is a portable stone for sharpening out in the field. So maybe my machete when we're out at the land, maybe an axe.
She has a machete?
A machete. It's in the truck.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah, machete. So this is for field work.
So,
here's a guide.
it's kind of heavy, guys. So for babies, don't let them pick it up.
Yeah, maybe should be playing with knives. So here's a guide that it somehow, and I got to read the instructions probably here, it clips on your knife to give you a guide for the right angle, because one thing I sometimes have problems with sharpening stones is getting the right angle of grind. Okay?
Daddy, can I feel it?
No, it's an iron. And then here's a cleaning cloth.
Like if it's clean.
What is this?
Glove.
These were in the glass cutting set too. These are Kevlar gloves, or cut resistant gloves, which I always going to be playing with knives. Ooh.
What's that?
That is the sharpening stone itself, and it's got a 6,000 grit and a 1,000 grit.
1,000's bigger.
Here's a rubber placemat, so it doesn't go all over the place. Right, it clips on. It's rough, isn't it? See, it doesn't move.
It's kind of smooth.
What is this?
Is this kind of smooth too?
Oh, this is the stone that you use to level off and dress up your stone to make sure that it stays nice and flat.
Never let your baby mess with this.
Oh, and here's a bamboo. Bamboo. Do we have bamboo at the house?
Wait, that's bamboo?
That's bamboo. There you go, even better.
It doesn't even, it feels like bamboo, but it's like, it's not, it doesn't look like bamboo. Wait.
Well, how do you know what bamboo looks like?
This is heavy.
All you know is bamboo that we have in the basement. So, before we get started sharpening the knife, we need to take this whetstone out of the wrapper and let it sit for about 10 minutes in water. It works with water, that's why they call it a whetstone.